Illinois House Republicans filing a lawsuit with the Illinois Supreme Court yesterday, alleging the state's legislative district maps violate the state constitution.
Sam Matheny is here talking political boundaries. Sam?
The issue over gerrymandered districts is nothing new in Illinois. Over the years, Republicans have filed federal lawsuits several times, but they were all unsuccessful. For the first time, they're taking their case to the Illinois Supreme Court.
We have a long history of partisan maps drawn under the Constitution that was adopted in 1970.
University of Illinois Springfield political science professor emeritus Kent Redfield has followed state politics for 46 years. He says both Democrats and Republicans have drawn voting district maps that gave their parties political advantages. Republican Representative Ryan Spain and House GOPs filed a lawsuit with the state's highest court on Tuesday, claiming the legislative maps that exist in Illinois are unconstitutional and have led to rigged general election results.
We have more evidence than ever before, and while lawsuits have taken place at the federal level, this is the first time legislative maps, this current map, will be challenged at the Illinois Supreme Court.
House Republicans argue dozens of House districts are not compact and fail to keep communities together. One example Representative Ryan Spain used was the 91st District, which cuts through part of East Peoria and snakes down to Bloomington Normal. The majority of voters in the district voted Democrat. The GOP is citing a 1981 Supreme Court decision that rejected the map for the 89th District in northwestern Illinois because it was not compact. They allege right now 52 districts are worse than that example.
These different lawsuits are apples and oranges, and I feel very optimistic. Decisions were made to violate the Illinois Constitution, to disenfranchise voters, to preserve power.
25 News reached out to several Democratic lawmakers in the Senate Democratic Caucus. Senator Dave Kaler declined to comment due to the pending litigation. Redfield says state laws prohibit maps from being drawn on the basis of race. In 2021, Governor J.B. Pritzker emphasized the Voting Rights Act of 2011, which preserves clusters of minority voters, which, if the court sided with the GOP, would not allow Republicans to split up urban areas.
We get less power and the other side gets more power. That's not as compelling an argument as making an argument that citizens, in terms of their rights to be represented, that they're being disadvantaged.
Professor Redfield says federal courts ruled in 2019 that creating voting maps that give parties a political advantage is not unconstitutional, and the courts did not issue a ruling because map making, they say, is a political decision. Guys, back to you.